Ever pondered over the best places to explore in Virginia and West Virginia? This vast land, shrouded in history and painted with the most breathtaking landscapes, holds a myriad of secrets waiting to be discovered. From the majestic Blue Ridge Mountains to the serene beaches, the awe-inspiring caverns to the quaint historic towns, there's a story hidden in every corner, a tale in every trail. The charm of Virginia and West Virginia lies in their diversity. Whether you're a history buff, a nature enthusiast, a thrill seeker, or a peace lover, these states have something for everyone. Picture yourself stepping back in time, walking through historic streets, or basking in the beauty of nature. Feel your heart race as you embark on an adventure or find tranquility in the tranquil landscapes. Are you ready to embark on this journey? Stay tuned as we unravel the top spots in these magnificent states. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more interesting facts and travel destinations. First stop, we're stepping back in time with Virginia's historic Williamsburg. Immerse yourself in the vibrant tapestry of American history that comes alive in the streets of Williamsburg, Virginia. Known as the cradle of America, this city is a living testament to the country's colonial past. The charm of Williamsburg lies in its flawless preservation of the 18th century. The city's historic district, also known as Colonial Williamsburg, is a sprawling outdoor museum where history unfolds around every corner. Here you'll find meticulously restored and recreated buildings, from grand public buildings to humble dwellings, each telling a unique story of the colonial era. But Williamsburg isn't just about old buildings. It's about the stories they tell, the people who lived in them, and the events they've witnessed. This is a place where history is not merely observed, but experienced. The city's immersive experiences allow you to step into the shoes of colonial citizens, from blacksmiths to wig makers, and even patriots plotting revolution in hushed whispers. The appeal of Williamsburg also lies in its ability to blend education with entertainment. The city offers a myriad of engaging activities and tours, designed to bring history to life in the most compelling way. You can march with the colonial militia, attend a colonial trial, or even dine in a tavern serving authentic 18th century fare. Williamsburg is a city that respects and cherishes its past, but it's not stuck in it. It's a vibrant, living city with modern amenities, world-class dining and shopping, all in a setting that's steeped in history. In Williamsburg, history is not a dry subject confined to textbooks, but a living, breathing entity that engages all your senses. It's a city that offers a unique blend of education and entertainment, making it an ideal destination for history buffs, families, and anyone who appreciates the charm of the bygone era. If history is your passion, Williamsburg, Virginia is a must-visit. From history to the soothing sea, our next stop is Virginia Beach. Virginia Beach, a coastal city in southeastern Virginia, is a symphony of sun, sand, and surf. It's a place where the rhythm of the waves is the soundtrack to a slow-paced, sun-soaked day. The city's charm lies in its stunning coastline, stretching as far as the eye can see. The golden sand is a soft carpet that welcomes barefoot strolls, while the Atlantic Ocean, varying shades of blue, plays host to an array of water sports. The sunsets here are nothing short of magical, painting the sky in hues of orange, pink, and purple, and transforming the beach into a tranquil canvas of nature's masterpiece. The heart of Virginia Beach is its vibrant boardwalk. 3 miles long and brimming with life, it's a place where the city comes alive. The boardwalk is a bustling hub of activity, lined with restaurants serving up local and international delicacies, shops selling a variety of wares, and street performers adding to the coastal city's lively ambiance. It's an experience in itself, a slice of life that can only be truly savored by being there. For those who crave a little adventure, Virginia Beach is a paradise of water sports. Whether you want to ride the waves on a surfboard, explore the underwater world through scuba diving, or just soak in the sun on a paddleboard, this city has it all. The waters are inviting, the facilities top-notch, and the opportunities to make unforgettable memories are limitless. Virginia Beach is more than just a destination, it's a feeling, a state of mind. It's the excitement of a beach volleyball game, the thrill of catching your first wave, the taste of fresh seafood, and the peaceful serenity of a sunset walk along the shore. It's a place that invites you to relax, unwind, and immerse yourself in its seaside charm. So if you're a beach lover, Virginia Beach is your paradise. Now, we're heading towards the wild and wonderful West Virginia, starting with the New River Gorge. Imagine a place where nature's beauty is etched in every corner, a place that offers an exhilarating escape from the hustle and bustle of city life. That's the New River Gorge for you. Nestled in the Appalachian Mountains, This place is a treasure trove of panoramic views and adrenaline-pumping outdoor activities. The New River Gorge is not just any gorge, it's a testament to the sheer power and beauty of nature. The river, which is ironically one of the oldest on the planet, has over time carved a canyon that stretches for over 50 miles, offering an awe-inspiring spectacle that is hard to match. But the New River Gorge is not just about picturesque views, it's a hotbed for outdoor activities. From whitewater rafting on the New River to rock climbing on Endless Wall, the gorge offers a plethora of options for thrill seekers. Imagine yourself paddling through the rapids, the wind in your hair, the spray of water on your face, the river challenging you at every turn. Or picture yourself scaling the steep cliffs, every muscle in your body working, your heart pounding, the world falling away beneath you. And here's an exciting fact: the New River Gorge recently became the newest national park in the United States. This status has not only bolstered the preservation efforts but also opened up new opportunities for exploration and adventure. What's more, the New River Gorge is not just for the adrenaline junkies. Whether you're a history buff wanting to explore the remnants of the area's coal mining past, or a bird watcher eager to spot the rare and magnificent peregrine falcon, the gorge has something for everyone. In a nutshell, the New River Gorge is a place where you can embrace the wild, feel the pulse of the earth, and lose yourself in the grandeur of nature. It's a place that reminds us of the raw and untamed beauty that exists in this world. For those craving adventure and breathtaking views, New River Gorge, West Virginia awaits you. Our final stop in this journey is the historic Harper's Ferry in West Virginia. As we embark on this segment of our journey, we delve into a place that is not only steeped in history, but also boasts an awe-inspiring natural landscape. Harper's Ferry, situated at the confluence of the Shenandoah and Potomac rivers, is a place where nature and history coexist in a beautiful harmony. Harper's Ferry is best known for John Brown's raid in the mid-19th century, an event that left an indelible mark on American history. The echoes of the past are still palpable as you walk the streets of this quaint town, where historic buildings stand as silent witnesses to the passage of time. The Harper's Ferry National Historical Park houses several exhibits that narrate the rich history of this area, including its pivotal role in the Civil War. But Harper's Ferry is not just about history. The town's location, nestled among the Blue Ridge Mountains, offers scenic beauty that can take your breath away. The rivers carve their way through the landscape, creating stunning panoramas that change with the seasons. Fall, in particular, is a sight to behold as the mountains are set ablaze with vibrant hues of red, orange, and yellow. This unique fusion of nature and history makes Harper's Ferry a place like no other. It's a place where you can hike the Appalachian Trail in the morning, explore a historic site in the afternoon, and enjoy a peaceful riverside dinner as the sun sets over the mountains. Throughout your journey, you'll find the spirit of Harper's Ferry to be resilient and ever-evolving, just like the rivers that run through it. It's a testament to the power of nature and the enduring impact of history. So if you're searching for a place that offers a blend of history, natural beauty, and a sense of tranquility, look no further. Harper's Ferry, with its captivating charm and rich tapestry of stories, is a destination that promises an unforgettable experience. If you're after a blend of history and natural beauty, Harper's Ferry, West Virginia is the place to be. There you have it, the top destinations in Virginia and West Virginia. We began our journey in the historic Williamsburg, a timeless testament to America's early days, where history comes alive in every corner. Then we moved on to Virginia Beach, a seaside serenade that's more than just sand and surf, but a haven for those seeking tranquility and adventure alike. Venturing into West Virginia, we discovered the awe-inspiring New River Gorge, a natural masterpiece carved by time offering thrilling adventures and breathtaking views. And finally, we revisited history at Harper's Ferry, a place where the past and present intersect, offering a unique blend of natural beauty and cultural richness. Each location, undeniably special, presents its own unique charm and allure. Whether you're a history buff, nature enthusiast, or simply a wanderer at heart, these places promise to offer an unforgettable experience. We hope this guide has inspired your next trip. Enjoy exploring the wonders of Virginia and West Virginia.